Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Kylee Clark, a busy mom of 6, a passionate advocate for natural wellness, and like many of you, I'm on a journey to improve my life in meaningful ways. Today, I'm excited to share something very personal and transformative with you, my 30-day sleep challenge. Before I tell you about my sleep challenge, I have something special just for you. Make sure to watch this video all the way to the end to find out what that is. As a mother, entrepreneur, and someone who loves to invest time in my family and relationships, finding enough hours in the day can be a challenge. And let's be honest, getting a good night's sleep, that often falls to the bottom of my priority list. Like many of you, I struggle to get those coveted 8 hours of rest. My mornings start early, around 5 a.m., and after a day filled with love, laughter, and the usual chaos, I find myself staying up late, cleaning, scrolling through social media, or having those end-of-day chats with my amazing husband. Before I know it, it's past 11 p.m., and the cycle of tiredness continues. But here's the thing. Sleep is foundational to our overall health. It's not just about feeling rested, it's about giving our bodies and minds the time they need to rejuvenate and thrive. That's why I've decided to take on this 30-day sleep challenge, focusing on natural solutions and practical steps to improve my sleep hygiene. And I invite you to join me on this journey. Over the next 30 days, I'll be making some changes, setting a consistent bedtime, reducing screen time, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and exploring natural sleep aids like essential oils. I'll share my experiences, the ups and the downs, and the real impact these changes have on my daily life and energy levels. Now, you may be thinking, what is sleep hygiene, and why is this crucial for us to improve? Sleep hygiene refers to the practices and habits that are conducive to sleeping well on a regular basis. It's about creating an environment and a routine that signals your body it's time to wind down and rest. Good sleep hygiene can significantly impact the quality of our sleep, making us feel more rested and rejuvenated each morning. For my 30-day sleep challenge, I'm focusing on 4 key habits that are not only simple home remedies, but also effective ways to enhance my sleep routine. First and foremost, I'm committing to a consistent bedtime of 9:30 p.m. This will be really difficult for me, but the regularity is crucial for setting my body's internal clock and improving my overall sleep quality. Second, I'm making a rule for myself: no phones in the bedroom. It's tempting to scroll through social media or check emails, but this can significantly disrupt our ability to fall asleep. Instead, I will be using that time for more calming activities. And third, to enhance my night routine, I'm turning to natural sleep supplements. I'll be using doTERRA's Serenity Soft Gels and doTERRA's Serenity Stick Plus Valerian, and I'll be diffusing doTERRA's Shinrin Roku Forest Bathing Blend. These remedies are not just about the physical aspects of sleep, but they're also going to help create a tranquil mental space. And the last part of my evening ritual will include deep breathing exercises during my evening prayers. This practice is not just spiritually fulfilling, but also helps in calming my mind, preparing me for a restful night. And to keep track of my progress, I'll be wearing my Apple Watch to bed. This will help me monitor my sleep data, allowing me to see what's working and what needs tweaking in my sleep hygiene tips. Improving how to sleep better at night naturally is a journey, and I'm excited to take these steps. I encourage you to think about your own sleep routine and what changes you can make. Remember, small adjustments can lead to significant improvements. Let's embrace these sleep hygiene tips together and look forward to better, more restful nights. Thank you for joining me today in the first steps of my 30-day sleep challenge. It's a journey we're all on together, and I'm excited to see where it takes us. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any updates on my journey. Your support is incredibly valuable, and it helps me to continue to bring content that can truly make a difference in your life. In my next video, I'll delve deeper into the natural sleep aids that I chose to use, and I'll share more sleep hygiene tips, and of course, update you on my journey. And don't forget, I do have something special for you. It's a free download to help your family get started on your own sleep improvement journey. This free download has my top tips to helping your children get a good night's sleep. Check the link in the description below to grab your copy. See you next time.